What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another AI video. Today we're diving back into Artlist because the recently launched Artlist AI Agent is now live. This is all about bridging the gap between complex prompting and pro-level production. Of course, I have to test this out because all you have to do is have a normal conversation with the agent and it's going to bring your vision to life, which is honestly kind of the way it should be. To get started, just head on over to artlist.io. Of course, the link is going to be in the description and pinned comment below as always. Let's come over to AI Toolkit at the very top. I'm going to create a brand new session on the left-hand side, and then just make sure you click on the chat blurb right here. It's going to say AI Agent. Let's select that. Okay, here we go. Now we just type something in, and it's going to do all the heavy lifting for us. If you want to, you can click on any of the preset options right here. Describe an image, create a video, help me write a prompt. Let's click on create an image. I can help you build a prompt for your image. What kind of subject or scene do you have in mind? Then it has a few recommendations for starting points, including a portrait, a landscape shot, or an abstract concept. I do have an idea in mind. I'm going to go ahead and pop it in. I'm thinking futuristic sports car from the year 2050, midnight Tokyo, clean downtown shot with no people. Okay, let's punch that in. The agent is going to get to work immediately generating our request. All right, here we go. Let's have a look. Okay, now this is super clean. Followed my direction exactly, but I want to go a slightly different direction. Here's my follow-up. Not bad, but I want the environment to be cleaner and I want the sports car to be red. All right, let's have a look. Okay, again, this followed my direction to a T. The environment's a bit cleaner, more of a daytime shot, and we've got a nice red paint job for the car. Okay, I'm going to specify even more. I want the setting to be even more simple. I want to go with a concrete setting, so no Tokyo downtown in the background. Okay, let's submit. Let's have a look. I've got a mix of a well-lit dark studio concrete platform. This is exactly what I was going for. Now I'm going to take my image and bring it to life with video. Create a short 9-second video, subtle push inward while the camera circles the car to the right. So a push in, but the car is going to be front facing for the ending shot. Let's punch this in. Once again, this has followed my direction to a T. And as you can see, all it takes is simple conversation to realize the creation you're going for. Let's jump over to a new session on the left-hand side. Back over to the agent. I want to create a bag of potato chips, super hot flavor, be creative, something from a futuristic convenience store in Tokyo. Let's run this through. All right, here we go. Let's have a look. This is super clean. Neo Crunch, super hot, Tokyo Fire, level 5 out of 5. And we have the bag of chips inside a futuristic Tokyo convenience store. Even the people out in the background in the street are looking pretty good as well. Everything looks super natural. I really like the holographic effect at the top of the bag as well. I kind of love this. Now put the bag of chips on top of a stool in a studio. Simple background. Here's the next shot. We got the exact same bag of chips on a stool in a well-lit studio. This time, I'm going to select this specific image by clicking use image right here. I want to create an 8-second video of my bag of chips. Fire vortex swirling around the chips. High-end visuals. I want the chips to slowly float upward off of the stool the entire time. Okay, let's see what happens. Before the agent actually goes ahead and creates a video, it's going to confirm with me the output settings. This all looks good to me. Clicking 3.0, 16:9, 8 seconds, audio, and the credits it's going to use. Yes, let's create. There you have it. I've got my bag of chips with a really cool swirling fire vortex effect. That's the Artlist AI agent. Just tell the agent what you want and it helps move the idea forward toward a final output. It remembers the context of what you've made and builds upon that as you move along. It helps choose the right models and settings depending on your creative goals. And of course, you can make revisions, adjust details, and refine without having to start completely over again. What I like most today about the AI agent is that it understood my context every step of the way. So I didn't have to constantly re-explain myself whenever I created a new generation. If you want to give this a try for yourself, I'll have the link in the description and pinned comment below as always. Now before I go, the 5 times more credits offer is still live within Artlist. This applies to top models including Seedance 2.0, Nano Banana Pro, and Kling 3.0. That means you can generate more, test more ideas, and refine your results without burning through your credits. And with all that, good luck and have fun with your creations.